So today I have Gloria with me, and Gloria has been part of the Ultimate Support Group for a really long time. In fact, she's been with us since the very, very beginning, and she found a really cool tool that we're going to be able to use in our online tutoring businesses. Now, she specifically teaches Italian online, so if you ever want to learn more about Italian, she is your go-to girl, and she's currently living in Spain, which is really awesome. So she's going to be teaching us how to use this cool new tool that you can embed onto either your WordPress or onto your regular website. What's the name of the tool, Gloria?
It's H5P, and it's a plugin for WordPress. The amazing thing about it is that you can create activities, interactive activities, and you can embed them into your WordPress website. Also with Moodle or Drupal. It supports all these three platforms, but the cool thing is that if you don't have any WordPress or whatever, you can embed the activities because every activity's got an embed iframe code. So no worry about it. You can still include your content.
Yeah, awesome. So it's got the HTML code. So all you have to do is take that HTML code and then embed it into your site.
Not even an HTML code. It's just an iframe.
Okay.
You have a code, you copy and paste, and
there it is. Yep. Awesome.
Yeah.
So why don't we have you, I know there's tons of tools that this thing has. So why don't you share your screen and we can take a look at what this looks like. And then you can show us, how do you go about creating something from this tool?
Absolutely. So here I am. Oh, by the way, we are here in the dashboard on my website. And of course, being a plugin, you have first to download it and upload it then into your dashboard, and you find it here more or less if I can find it in my page. Yes, you find it here on the left, and in order to include the activity, you have here is the library, and you click on add new. You will have to be a bit patient with my connection here. And this is how it appears in the dashboard of WordPress. So you just set a title, for example, sample exercise 1, which was already there. And you have select content type. And boom.
Oh, that's cool.
These are all the activities that you can create with this plugin. So,
wow.
Drag and drop, fill in the blanks, and image hotspot is where the student can simply or either type or drag a name next to a picture, or I don't know, college, audio. This is especially useful if you want to provide your students with a natural talk in your native language if you're a language tutor and you want your students to have a natural pronunciation to listen to. And then memory game and personality quiz, but I think it applies to anything, and flashcards. This is an automatic arithmetic quiz generator and works with subtraction, additions, multiplications, and divisions. I'm not sure if it's going to be useful for our math tutor in the group, but
hey, it would be something. It would definitely be something to check out, wouldn't it?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, somebody was just asking an essay with instant feedback. That seems interesting.
Yes, absolutely. And I was thinking of the writing tutors that we had out there, or if anyone works with written test, that's an amazing tool, of course.
Yeah.
And you can create presentations, multiple choice, but I fell in love this morning with, if I can find it here in this list, well, not really. Channel Truth was called, well, let's start drag and drop, maybe, with images. And Of course, you have to install every activity before starting to use them. Once you have it, you click on it and you click on use. And this is how it appears. It looks a bit daunting, I reckon, but it's all a matter of getting used to the interface, and I promise it's really, it's not that bad. Well, you can add your image. I don't know what image I should include. Maybe, well, let's see, my fruit basket. Interesting. We wait for the image to upload, and here you can define the score range and feedback. Talking about positive feedback, if you have children or you want this activity to sound a bit more, engaging and fun, instead of writing correct, you could put a yoo-hoo.
Right.
And we are done. And well, there's also behavioral setting. Here, it's not something really complicated. You can give the opportunity to your student to retry if they have, if you make a mistake.
Sure.
Any option, penalties, I don't know if you really want to make them. It's because it creates a lot of stress. And score explanation, which is something very interesting. And spacing, these are more technical and graphic elements.
So you could take a look and just see what does it look like, and then you can make changes later if you wanted to make any changes.
You can translate it, and options are really endless.
Wow.
So completely personalizable. And I'm gonna scroll up a bit just to show you how to put it in your page. The most important thing is that you have a title here, otherwise it's not gonna save it. You have a title, you have everything there, and you click on create. And hopefully this is going to work, and it's gonna create my activity. And yes. Well, it's a bit stretched, but this is just a sample.
Right.
And now we're gonna create a new page on WordPress. Excuse me. And it works on a post as well, even better. And once you have your plugin uploaded, you will find this button, add H5P. And you click on it. Sample exercise, there we go, insert, and voila.
Whoa, look at that.
Preview. Let's see if I can see the preview directly. The loader. It's gonna take a bit of time. Okay.
There we go.
And here you have the picture, the activity. It's just a sample again, but really it's not rocket science. It's all a matter of playing with it and see which activities are better for you. You can create a closed test or text with drag and drop words, memory game, really lots of cool stuff.
Yeah.
And if I can move this, if you don't have a WordPress website, no panic. Here you have the h5p.org website. You need an account, and I created my own account this morning. You go on my account and you click on create new content. That's the same history. You create a title, sample one again. Let's try and do something different. Sample exercise 2. You select a content type, drag the words, my favorite, which is something that was missing from my activities before. Okay, here we are the interface. They require you just to put an asterisk before the words, before and after the words that you want to eliminate from the text. So, Joanne is an amazing reading tutor. Okay, I want Joanne to be dragged into the text, and reading to be dragged into the text later. Again, you personalize your feedback. Nothing else to change, what enable retry, and all these options that we saw before. This is really interesting, the H5P options. You don't want this to be downloaded, you remove it. You don't want this to be embedded by somebody else, you remove it. You want to protect it, you want just everyone to know that you made it, you leave the tick on copyright button. You save it. And there we go. This is the activity.
Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
I know, right?
That is so cool.
And you can edit and do whatever you want. And then here, well, we cannot embed this one because we have excluded already the button, but we can go back. And click on embed and save. Voila! And there we have the code. We have the code. We just copy and paste it wherever we want. On Wix, I think you can embed it in your page, and no problem at all. You have your exercise on your website.
Oh my gosh, that's so awesome! I love it.
Me too.
Cool. So cool. And think about, I'm just thinking already, like if we like embed like this kind of stuff, you're just making your brand even so much more powerful because people will be able to find your tool and the resources. You'll be able to share that page and so many awesome opportunities just to be able to create some really great content and think about, people can always think about the things that they are typically teaching, tools they're going to need, and they can create these tools right on their website.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
So awesome.
And also if you want to maybe eventually create your own course with your own videos and you want to include your exercises, this is an amazing tool. If you want to host your own course on your website. And the best part is that we haven't seen it in this explanation, but there's an activity that allows you to include a video where you can put exercises in, where you can put the exercises inside the video. Like at a certain point, you can stop, include an activity inside the video, and then let the video flow until another exercise shows up.
Wow.
It's amazing.
That is so powerful. That is really powerful. It's very similar to what you're saying on Khan Academy. That's what they do, right? Like, and now even with very little tech knowledge, all of us can do that.
Yeah, absolutely. It's so cool. Don't let this put you off because it doesn't look so user-friendly. It's super easy, actually. You don't need to spend so much time on every option. It's really not that important. The most important thing is that you decide which activities suit you best, which one your students are going to enjoy the most, are going to need the most. Just play with it and everything flows with no problem.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much for taking the time to show us how that works both in WordPress and with a regular website. You are amazing. Thank you for sharing it with the community. You know, this is what I love about the Ultimate Support Group for Online Tutors. So if you're not a member yet, you definitely want to go to Facebook, type in Ultimate Support Group for Online Tutors, or in this video at the end, in the description, I have a link that you just click on and you can come and join us. But these are the kinds of things that people share all the time. So it's so cool to be able to get a sneak peek at, you know, it's not just how to run your online tutoring business, but also like, what are the coolest new technology tools we can use to be able to be the most effective teachers out there that are available. So thanks again so much for taking the time to show us.
Thank you, Joanne.
All right, so I'm totally going to redo the introduction here. So I'm going to clip this and put it in the beginning. So we're going to do that again. All right. Here we go. You ready?
Right.
We got this. All right. Hey everybody. Hey there. So what you've just seen is an excerpt from the Insider Secrets Club. We are a group of online tutors that get together and we answer other people's questions that they have about online tutoring, and we brainstorm together. Along with, we have book clubs and we have live conferences for online tutors to learn how to run an online tutoring business. If you are interested in joining us, we are on Facebook. You can join us at the Ultimate Support Group for Online Tutors. Along with, if you're interested in getting more videos just like this, hit subscribe so that you can stay up to date on the latest with online tutoring.